Hi there! On today's video I'm going to show you how to build your drawers for the Blum Undermount sliding system. For the whole build I've used 18mm cheap white melamine. At the end of the video I'm going to insert some photos regarding all the dimensions of all the components I use for this build. Enjoy the video! The cabinet is just a simple melamine box that's 600mm wide and 552mm in depth. The back is just a 3mm thick piece of HDF that's screwed together from the back into the box. I'm building my drawers from the same 18mm thick melamine, and for that I'm going to use this simple jig that I made from a scrap piece of MDF. Let me bring you closer and show you how it's done. The front and the back of the drawer are placed between the sides, and its dimensions are 517mm by 140mm. The sides are 540mm, so that's the total depth of the drawer, by 117mm, so they are 30mm higher than the front and the back. Now let's screw them together. The bottom of the drawer is another piece of 18mm melamine that's 550mm by 517mm. Okay, so now that we finished the drawer, let me show you how to attach the slides. The slide attaches to the front of the drawer using these clips, and to the back of the drawer using this small piece of metal that enters the melamine. I'm using the slider itself to mark the spot and then a 5mm drill bit to drill the hole. To attach the clips on the front of the drawers, I'm going to use this jig from Blum. The drill bit is 2.5mm in diameter. Okay, and now let's attach the slides to the cabinet. I'm starting from the top using some spacers to position the slider. This slider is also offset 2 mm to the back of the drawer. The second slider is just placed onto the bottom of the cabinet. Okay, and now let's attach the drawers. Just take them, put them on the rails, push everything back until it clips in place. That's all. And now, to detach the drawer, you simply pull the clips and drag the drawer out.